How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel. In this video, we are going to be talking about Bitdeer Technologies Group. We're going to go over the massive partnership that this company took with NVIDIA. We're going to go look at the detailed breakdown of this partnership, what this means for this company for the future. We're going to go look at a detailed breakdown of some of the strategic things that this company has planned for the next few quarters, for the next few years. So we're going to talk about in detail breakdown in this video. So make sure you stay tuned. Now let's get right into the video. As I'm recording the video, as you can see, we have the Bitdeer Technology Group sitting at $5.53. So as you can see, for the past month, it's up 45.53%. It is definitely trending to the upside. We also have NVIDIA stock, which is the company that they announced their partnership with, sitting at $464.67. The company has been in a massive breakout, for the last few months if you've been following the AI revolution that's happening around the world. So let's go over and talk about Bitdeer. A quick introduction to Bitdeer. Bitdeer is one of the top Bitcoin miners in the world, and they have data centers located across the globe. We have data centers in the United States, they have data centers in Europe, and also in Asia. We have Bitdeer that have these massive data centers that have infrastructure, and they also have cloud computing expertise. So they're going to be leveraging their expertise and be able to help massive companies in Asia, across the world, as they are trying to transition their systems into AI. So definitely Bitdeer is positioning themselves to massively benefit and also help as the world transition into AI. Now let's go over the massive news that came out for Bitdeer announcing partnership with NVIDIA. So let's go over what the news outlets are saying about this partnership. We have seekingalpha.com stating that Bitdeer to launch Asian-based cloud service built in NVIDIA DGX SuperPod. As you can see, Bitdeer reported that it has become a preferred cloud service provider in the NVIDIA network program and plans to launch Bitdeer AI Cloud, among the first cloud services powered by NVIDIA DGX SuperPod with the DGX H100 systems in the Asian region. So we're going to go over in detail, talk about later on. Another news outlet that covered this information, of course, we have the techrevolutionist.com. It stated that Bitdeer is now the member of the NVIDIA's preferred cloud service provider, CSP, announces launch of the Bitdeer AI Cloud platform with DGX H100 systems. So let's go over the detailed partnership and look at exactly what this means. And as you can see over here, we have Bitdeer Technologies Group, ticker symbol Btdr, a world-leading technology company for blockchain and high-performance computing. Today announced that it has become a preferred cloud service provider, CSP, in the NVIDIA partner network, and plans to launch a Bitdeer AI Cloud, among the first cloud service powered by NVIDIA DGX SuperPod with the DGX H100 systems in the Asia region. So we're going to be talking about what is a preferred cloud service provider and also go over why this NVIDIA DGX SuperPod and DGX H100 systems are pretty massive. Let's go over the preferred cloud service provider first. So when you look at the NVIDIA website, as you can see, they have their own network. So we have the NVIDIA partner network. So they partner with different type of providers. So the first one is going to be the cloud service providers, data center providers, distributors, OEMs. We have a service delivery partner, cloud services, but the one that we're going to focus on is going to be the cloud service provider, which is going to be what Bitdeer joined. So as you can see over here, we have the cloud service providers are partners who provide or resell hosted software or hardware services and a cloud or managed services model to end user customers using the NVIDIA products. So we have the Bitdeer that joined the preferred cloud service provider for NVIDIA. So that is pretty massive. So let's go over and look at also exactly what Bitdeer is going to be launching. So Bitdeer is planning to launch the Bitdeer AI Cloud, among the first cloud services powered by the NVIDIA DGX SuperPod with the DGX H100 systems in the Asia region. So we're going to go look at exactly what this powerful DGX system is. We're going to be hearing from the CEO of NVIDIA, going over exactly how this GPU basically is, which is super powerful, and We have a Bitdeer that's going to be building on this basically powerful NVIDIA DGX SuperPod. So let's check out the video from the CEO.
NVIDIA accelerated computing starts with DGX, the world's AI supercomputer, the engine behind the large language model breakthrough. I hand-delivered the world's first DGX to OpenAI. Since then, half of the Fortune 100 companies have installed DGX AI supercomputers. DGX has become the essential instrument of AI. The GPU of DGX is 8 H100 modules. H100 has a transformer engine designed to process models like the amazing ChatGPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformers. The 8 H100 modules are NV-linked to each other across NV-link switches to allow fully non-blocking transactions. The 8 H100s work as one giant GPU. The computing fabric is one of the most vital systems of the AI supercomputer. 400 gigabits per second, ultra-low latency, NVIDIA Quantum InfiniBand with in-network processing connects hundreds and thousands of DGX nodes into an AI supercomputer. NVIDIA DGX H100 is the blueprint for customers building AI infrastructure worldwide.
As you saw in the video, the system is definitely powerful. So let's go over and look at the detailed partnership and what this means. So what the service will provide Bitdeer's customers with access to NVIDIA AI supercomputing to help them accelerate their development of generative AI, large language models, which are called LLM, and other AI workloads. So that is pretty great. So basically the goal of Bitdeer GPU cloud services is to equip businesses and entrepreneurs with this state-of-the-art computing using the NVIDIA DGX platform. Let's hear what the CEO had to say about this massive partnership. So we have the CEO of Bitdeer, Matt Kong, basically commented that we are excited to work with NVIDIA to lay the groundwork for the next era of AI and large language model advancements in Asia. Becoming a preferred member of the NVIDIA Partner Network validates our technological competence and market reach. We look forward to collaborating with NVIDIA to empower businesses in Asia to innovate, grow, and prosper. So that is pretty fantastic statement. And it's really important to know that the expertise in Bitdeer is in building cloud computing products. And this also happens to be the highest gross margin product that they have. So you can go around and look at their investor presentation to see this specific information. There's going to be a link in the description box below. But as you can see over here, this is going to be where they're generating their revenues is. And as I mentioned, they have expertise in building cloud computing products. And that is one of those highest grossing margin products that they have. So this is really fantastic for Bitdeer. Now let's go back to the article. We also heard from the senior director of DGX platforms at NVIDIA. His name is Tony. He stated that generative AI empowers businesses to unlock unprecedented scalability, reliability, and innovation. And with NVIDIA DGX infrastructure, Bitdeer can provide the AI supercomputing and software needed to build and deploy generative AI models and services. So that is pretty fantastic. So there are going to be some strategic things that Bitdeer is planning to do. Let's go over some of the important things that Bitdeer is planning to do. So as you can see, Bitdeer's strategic roadmap encompasses 4 phases. So we have the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. And the last one is going to be application as a service. We're going to focus on AAS, application as a service, also known as AAS. And between the years of 2023 and 2032, the Asian Pacific API market is expected to have the highest CAGR globally. In an effort to foster AI innovation, Bitdeer is set to craft API services that will enable businesses to easily introduce AI into their existing workflows. And also, Bitdeer will offer an intuitive and effective development platform and allow users to not only deploy custom APIs with ease, but also achieve seamless integration and interfacing with existing applications. So AAS is a massive opportunity specifically in Asia. And to reinforce that, we have a Salesforce that reported that Asian-specific AI readiness will impact deployment of generative AI. And when you look at the overall rankings for AI readiness in Asia, we have Singapore, which leads the region, which is a score of 70.1, followed by Japan with 59.8, and China 59.7. We have the business AI readiness. We have Singapore, which is also at the top, sitting at 53.6, followed by China 43.1, South Korea 42.7. Government AI readiness, we have Singapore also at the top, which is sitting at 86.5, followed by Australia 77.7 and Japan. When you go look at it deeper, the adaptation and utilization of generative AI requires a level of AI readiness, which includes infrastructure, data, workforce development, ethical design, and also integration. So the most important thing to look at from this article is that we have Singapore, which is leading the way for AI readiness, and we have other also countries that are being very open to integrating generative AI within their infrastructures, within their businesses, within the governments, and etc. We also look at another article. We have Asian Pacific CEOs eye AI in deal making. As you can see, we have 70% of respondents see AI as a force for driving business efficiency. We have 70% of CEOs using AI to strengthen deal strategies. We have 89% are integrating AI into capital allocations. Just over half plan significant AI investments in the next year. So that is pretty massive. And we also have Google, which is exploring generative AI markets in the Asia Pacific region. So that is pretty fantastic. And we have companies like Bitdeer that is going to be involved in providing services to these companies, because we're seeing that the majority of the CEOs are definitely planning to integrate AI. And we have Bitdeer that could massively benefit, since they are going to be one of those companies that is going to be providing, the tools that these companies need for them to integrate AI in the systems. So this is definitely going to be a massive deal that this company is doing, becoming a partner with NVIDIA. So definitely keep it on your watch list, and we'll see what this company is going to be coming. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about Bitdeer Technologies Group and this NVIDIA partnership? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinion. And of course, if you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. But I'll catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.